You know, I couldn't believe it either, but we got the young man to run the chainsaw for us. But, you know, he's just learning how to do this. How many safety violations can you count on this 2-log run right here we got going? We're holding them with a demo dozer bucket here just so they don't, you know, bind up that bar. And here we go. I want you guys to check him out and give him a little critique, if you would. A little constructive criticism here, and just let us know how many safety violations do you see? What's he doing wrong with this steel 660? So keep watching here and just put in the comments of what you see and how he could run this thing a lot better.